Blooming Butterfly, a fun-filled interactive and engaging series. In the previous video, we learned the letter D. Now we learn the letter E. The sound of E is E. E, E. E is for egg. E is for eyes. E is for elephant. Egg, eyes, elephant. Isn't it beautiful? An elephant with big eyes is holding an egg with its trunk. An elephant with big eyes is holding an egg with its trunk. Can you point towards the elephant's eyes? Great! Now point towards the egg. That's right. Can you point towards the huge elephant? That's good. An elephant with big eyes is holding an egg with its trunk. Now let's see what we have here. We have 3 eggs with beautiful patterns. Draw patterns on the eggs. You can do it. Draw patterns on the eggs. That's great, you just drew beautiful eggs. Your teacher will provide you a traceable letter E. Trace the letter E and decorate it with colorful glitters and markers. I know you'll do great. That's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next video with the letter F. Until then, take care. Bye.